Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would really love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I want to show you our very small haul from Save-A-Lot. And it was just really produce because I'm really, just starting to can a lot. I really love my pressure canner, not gonna lie. So Sean and we went to Save-A-Lot last night when he got home from work, and we picked up some produce. We got two different kinds of apples, and I'll tell you why we got some apples. Okay, my 5-year-old nephew, who has Williams syndrome, his favorite snack of all time is applesauce. So my mom-in-law and my sister-in-law asked me to make him some homemade applesauce. So that's what I'm going to be working on, and I'll do a video on that as well. And then, of course, one of my favorite veggies of all time is carrots. And then we've got some zucchini, some yellow squash, and Sean wanted some jalapenos. Oops, sorry. So we got some very nice jalapenos, so those will be canned. I got more onions here. And then we got some poblanos. So this was our small produce haul. And then, you know how I am on spices, okay? But you also know how much I love coffee. So when we're at Save-A-Lot last night, we're in the spice aisle. And what does Sean see? Hi, Penelope. This. Yes. This is a spice. And it's for beef and pork, poultry, and seafood. So this is going to be one that we're going to be trying out. It was $2. They do have other ones. One was like a beer chicken rub or chicken beer rub or something like that it was called. And they had like 3 or 4 other kinds too. So, hang on. Ridley, no, you're not going out. No, sir. My neighbor is outside and he's mowing his lawn. And every time Ridley sees my neighbor outside, he automatically thinks that he's going to go outside and get chicken. Because Jeff, my neighbor, feeds my dogs chicken. So, anyway, back to the spice. So, yes, robust coffee seasoning rub. So I'll give you an update on that one. And then I picked up some more instant coffee. Now, I have found a recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Are you like me? Do you like to have sometimes, every once in a while, a specialty coffee drink? Do you have a guilty pleasure like that, like I do? Because I do. So I have actually found recipes to make your own. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys as well. So I hope you are interested in that. If you are, please let me know. But yeah, it includes instant coffee. So I'll be doing those and some more canning videos for veggies. Because I think I did one for chicken, peppers, and, what was the other one? Isn't that terrible? Where has my headspace gone to? Tomatoes. Okay, so we're going to be doing these. These obviously will be, pressure can, just like bell peppers. Okay, 35 minutes in the pressure canner. Okay, same with these. But I'll do onions and the squashes and carrots. And then we'll also do applesauce. So, all right. That is all for this video. I love you. I will see you in the next one. Keep prepping. Stay safe. Bye.